Hi guys, this was how I was able to get a good share using top-down analysis on volatility 75. This is the daily time frame. Obviously, if you agree with me, this market is bullish, is bearish. Now that this market is bearish, I quickly mark out my key zone. From here, I mark out my order block on the daily time frame to really understand where the market is heading to, because I have agreed that this market is bearish. Now I mark out my market structure shift from this place, and the market came to the daily time frame order block. Now this should be the zone I am targeting. This should be my extreme zone, right? On your daily time frame, always mark out your key level, and these are my key level, and I have confirmed on the daily time frame that this market is bearish. Now let's go to the 4 hours time frame. What are we having on the 4 hours time frame? You agree with me that we've seen that this market is bearish. If you notice what happened here, the market broke this low here. The market took out this low on the 4 hours time frame and gave me a retracement entry from this place. Can you see? From this place, and the market did what? The market sold to the downside. Now I am very confident that this is a downtrend. What we should be looking at for is a sell. Then I went to the 1 hour time frame. This is how you do your top down analysis, and this is how you align the market. If you see that this is the 1 hour time frame, let me zoom in. This was the market structure shift on the 4 hours time frame. I think it's very clear here on the 1 hour time frame. The market came to this order block here, it feeling this imbalance and sold to the downside. Then immediately I noticed that we will be having a sell position. Then I mark out this zone. From here I mark out this zone, because why? We are still having a market structure shift here on the 1 hour time frame. Then I mark out my market structure shift here on the 1 hour time frame. Simply waited for the market to retrace to this zone, right? Now what happened? Then I scaled down to the 5 minutes time frame. When I scaled down to the 5 minutes time frame to look for an entry, I noticed that the 5 minutes time frame, we are still having a market structure shift on the 5 minutes time frame. From here, a 5 minutes market structure shift from here. Then I know that a time for a good share has arrived. Then I simply wait just to align my setup. Then I placed my zone here, my entry zone at this place. The market came to my zone and give me a rejection candle, here on my order block. Immediately I got this rejection candle and this confirmation pattern, this confirmation candlestick. Then I immediately took a short position with confidence that this trade is going to go my way. Then my stop loss was above this place. This is my trade review. This is the power of top down analysis, and my stop loss was above this high right here, this place, and I targeted a good risk to reward, and this place was my full TP. This place I put my full TP at this zone because I was having a 5 minutes order block from there. Then this was how I was able to catch a very good share on volatility 75. It's as simple as that. If you master your top down analysis, you'll be able to catch a good move from the market, and you will know what you are getting in the market. So that's what I'm saying. Because I go to the daily time frame, which I must do my analysis on the daily time frame, I saw that on the daily time frame the market was bearish. It was very obvious that the market was bearish. Then I went to my 4 hours time frame and also mark out my key level on my 4 hours time frame, noticing that the market took out this low here, came back, filling this zone, the 4 hours time frame, and sold to the downside. Then immediately I went to my 1 hour time frame to look for an extra confirmation to know what I'm doing. Now this is the 1 hour time frame. Remember, on the 4 hours time frame, this is the zone that I marked, that I said we're having a market structure shift, right? Now no problem. When the market tap that zone, it sold to the downside. Then I mark out this order block again because I'm also having my market structure shift here. I mark out my zone because I'm also having a market structure shift at this zone. Then on the 1 hour time frame, I mark out this order block. Then I simply went to the 5 minutes time frame to look for a very good entry because I'm not very sure that the market is selling. So I was not looking for a sell position. Immediately I came to the 5 minutes time frame, I was seeing a market structure shift here on the 5 minutes time frame. Then I waited for the market to give me a retracement. Then immediately I get this rejection candle. You can watch my previous video. I already explained the power of rejection candle, and I put my TP and my stop loss above that zone. I targeted this place as my full TP, giving me 1:5 risk to reward because I was still having my 5 minutes order block from this zone. So to make everything align, I put my full TP there and the market smashed full TP. So guys, subscribe on my YouTube channel and like this video. You can drop a comment. See you guys some other time. Watch my previous video. You guys should be